Hi lovely people, welcome back again to my channel. We are still on the series of catering for babies, so it's my pleasure to share with you all 2 ways you can make oatmeal for your baby and your baby will keep wanting more. So guys, the first recipe is banana oatmeal and the second one is strawberry and banana oatmeal. So if that is interesting to you, keep watching. So guys, disclaimer, this recipe is recommended for babies from 6 months onwards. I know there are babies that start weaning earlier from 4 months, but I'll recommend this for babies from 6 months onwards. So in a bowl, add 1 cup of oatmeal and then add 1 cup of water. This water, I'll be sipping it out to get rid of anything that is just floating on top there. So after that, add milk. As you've seen, I'm not cooking this with any water, just milk only. So while that is cooking, I'll bring baby's bowl and then add the banana and start mashing it. So adding banana to your baby's oatmeal makes it appetizing for your baby to eat and generally sweetens up the oatmeal. So instead of adding honey or sugar to your baby's oatmeal, is better and it's recommended that you use banana instead. So guys, I hope you are loving this video so far. If you are, please don't forget to like this video. If you're yet to subscribe, this is the best time to subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notification. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment box below. So guys, thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. I should have said this earlier. Thank you so much. Your support is seen, is well appreciated. Thank you so much. So guys, as you've seen, it's well mashed up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pour in the oatmeal in the bowl and then mix it. So the next is to add baby's milk. Here you can use breast milk if your baby is still breastfeeding, but I'm using Aptamil baby's formula. So I'm just gonna mix this thoroughly, mix it properly and make sure there's no lump in it. So guys, at this point the first recipe is done, it's ready for baby to enjoy. So for the second recipe, in the bowl add your strawberry, take a fork and mash it. When it's all properly mashed, get a banana and then add half of the banana in a bowl and continue mashing it. Mash it properly to ensure that there's no lump left. So after doing that, add your oatmeal and then add baby's milk. You're welcome to use any milk of your choice. So for me, I'm using oatmeal, as I said earlier. So add your oatmeal and mix everything together. Add your milk, mix, and your baby's food is ready to enjoy. So lovely people, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box below. Share any ideas that might be of any benefit to anyone watching. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you all watching up to this time. I'm gonna see you all in my next one. Remember, Jesus loves you, and stay safe wherever you are. Bye.